So, Mr. Asela, you are the Chief Executive Officer of the SLT Services. Now, you have board meetings and you have to show your progresses and you have the operation meetings. So, can you share those things also with the students? And how much pressure you have when you are going to the board meetings?
Yeah. Give me a second. Yeah. So board meetings usually happens depending on the company. Some small companies they have maybe 1, 2, 3 board meetings per annum, but especially large companies they will prefer to have board meetings every month or every 1.5, 2 months. For example, for us, it happens every 1.5 or 1 month, maybe 10 to 9 board meetings per annum. So we have to always present our financial statements and then we have to show the current performance, and if something is wrong, how are we going to correct it financially. The board is mostly important interested in the financial performance first, and what are the long-term targets that we have. Are we going sorry are we going in the correct direction? That's the kind of information that they need. And then also they want to know, they will want to know what are the new things that we are going to do. Are we going for a new share issue? Are we going for new initiatives, new technologies, new business ideas that we have? So whether we need additional investment, that's the kind of things that they will need to know, and we need to tell them. And if we need a new project to do, we will have to create a business plan and show that this business will add value to the company and ultimately increase the value of the group for the company. That is what they are interested in mostly. And yes, as the CEO or the top rank of the company, you will always be at pressure managing the company, paying the salaries on time, paying the contractors on time. That kind of
Yeah, okay. Now, similarly, not only the Chief Executive Officer, if you are recruited as a regional manager of Sri Lanka Telecom, you have to have the same thing. You have the
and in turn, we are our business is also reduced, and other companies are, which we work with, private companies, they are also stopping their projects because the foreign currency is so high. They cannot import anything when the cost of doing a project is very high. So they are all stopping projects. So there we have to be very cautious how to pay our salaries because we cannot retrench staff immediately, right? So very cautious and find alternative business and then propose alternative to the board and get them approval. So that's the kind of input I can give you very at the top. Definitely the hectic time right now. A lot of pressure for us. That's it.
okay, thank you. So even the regional manager have the same pressure because they have given the targets, they have to achieve the targets. Now, for the say the telecommunication, this much of broadband connection should be given within this month, and the telephone connections and the data, the whatever the things. So that they have to show this, they have achieved those things because this is finally reflected in the financial statements. So for the final target of any company is to make profits. So therefore, you have a big role to be played in the industry uh, to properly manage your organization. So therefore, whatever the things we are studying today will be very, very useful to you. So therefore, you can refer from time to time also, because these things are not in one place to study. So we are taking these things with our experience gained 30, 40 years. So therefore, uh, I hope this will be very useful to you.